Welcome to the tutorial video for the PV-EMC PL3000 by Clemson 5.0. Here are the parts included in the kit you will need for setup. A foldable modular maze board with 3D printed walls included. A skee ball style backboard. A projectile launcher mounted on a rack and pinion with 3 metallic balls included. A reprogrammable car with 2 rechargeable batteries and charger. And a joystick-controlled electromagnetic crane. In order to set up the board, carefully unfold the board and place flat face up. This may be easier with 2 people. Place the walls in the desired formation to create your maze. To set up the target backboard, simply loosen the wing nuts and position the legs like so and rest face up. The launcher comes primarily assembled. To move the launcher, simply grasp and slide along the rack as seen here. For precision movements, adjust gently with the gear. To set the angle, simply lift the launcher and insert the lock bolt. In order to program the car, simply plug the USB into the computer and the Arduino USB into the port on the car.
Program the vehicle. First, open your robot code file, wherever you have this file stored. Once the program is open, scroll down until you see Play Student Program here. Underneath that, you will see some informational tips on how to code the car. If you want the car to move forward or backward, simply use these lines and then type in the number of inches you want the car to move in that direction. Each block is approximately 6 inches in width and height. So if you want to move the car a certain number of blocks, multiply that number by 6 and type that in your code. After the car has completed this step, it will make a turn left or right 90 degrees with the turn left and turn right codes. If you want the car to wait for when it reaches the ball and is waiting for the ball to be loaded on the electromagnetic crane, simply type in the delay function with the number of milliseconds you want the car to wait. If you want the car to wait 5 seconds, type in 5,000. Here's a sample code to help you. Once the code is finished, use this checkmark to verify. Check to see if there's any errors within the code. Once it is verified, simply hit upload. And the code will be uploaded into the car if the car is plugged into the computer. If not, this arrow will appear.
Once the program has been uploaded, plug the battery into the top in the following position. After the battery is in place, attach the basket like so. Now your vehicle is ready for operation. To reset the code, simply remove the basket and disconnect the battery. To restart the code, reassemble as previously shown. In order to charge the battery, simply plug into the charger as seen. once fully charged, compress the squeeze tabs and pull to disconnect. The crane setup is as simple as attaching the plug to a wall port and plugging in the shorter end of the plug to the power source for the electromagnet, and the longer end into the Arduino board. To turn the electromagnet on and off, simply flip the switch to the desired position. To control the motion of the crane, use the left joystick to move the arm up and down and the right stick to rotate. Now all the parts are ready to come together. First, position the backboard in front of a wall to ensure the safety of everyone in the room. Position the board in front of the backboard. This may be easier with 2 people. Position the launcher below the maze board facing the target area. To attach the crane, position the holes in the crane over one of the available locations on the board and slide the bolts into place like so. Design your maze in the desired position and program your vehicle to solve the maze. Once programmed, place the car as close to the center of the starting block as possible. Place the battery into the port and attach the basket. Have one student ready to man the crane and drop the ball into the basket as the car comes by. To transfer the ball from the cart to the launcher, simply press down on the release tab like so. Once the ball is in the barrel of the launcher, position the lock bolt in place, move the launcher to the desired location, pull back the plunger, and fire. This concludes the user tutorial for the PV EMC PL3000.